Unong yalam ka Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulah Ksai umdan jengmut syok ban penyesok Biang ke Congress. Dah ka babenrap baka jeng pelik jengmut jong galong banyak kun yikitu ki badon ha ka bor sinsyar. Utai uriu sain perthai shimla Kyntait baka lak bandon ka jengmi jong ka seng sain perthai Thymmai hadiah nabut. Badah ka juk por usang mau la Thaw ka jeng te lok ka pedeng ka Congress bat NPP ha KHASI dah ka boong baka Congress kai don bentalang bat ke NPP. Ula banjuru baki jing persyang jong ki kedolenti ban penklanya kejela.
Directly and indirectly, hand in glove with the same dispensation. So why would Mukul Sangma go? And why should I go? Do I need Congress to serve the people? I started my innings as an independent MLA. Yeah, I don't have a godfather in politics. I have only the people who think the same way, people who share my ideas, and people who dare to fight will be with me. I don't believe in shortcut. You know, because somebody may be thinking, oh, if Mukul Sangma goes, then it will be easier for it. That is their opinion. It may be easier, but Mukul Sangma doesn't believe in not fighting. Mukul Sangma believes in fighting for the right cause.